Hello everybody. In this video we will be looking at any post from any of the channels that you have either subscribed or you have looked at their videos for a very long time. So let us open YouTube and go to any one post that is posted by any channel. So I have opened any one post from a channel, and it is not necessary that you have subscribed to that channel. It can also be the post from any channel that you have recently watched many videos from. So it can be any of those, and these posts will be visible to you on the home page, that is where all your videos that you are interested in come. So let us talk about the features that are available in this. So at first you will be able to see the name of the channel, and then you will be able to see what time it was posted on. So this post was posted one day ago. So that is where you see the time. Then you will see the description or the thing or the write up that the channel have written. Then below over here you will see two options, like and unlike. So if you like this post, you will just gonna click on like, and if you don't like it, you're gonna click on unlike. Then you will have the comment section. So when you click on it, you will be able to comment on this post. And then the last thing, in the home page, in the home page post, by the post of any channel, you will be able to see three dots. So when you click on these three dots, you will find three more options. So the first option is going to be the report, second is not interested, and the third is don't recommend posts from channel. When you click on report, if you don't like, there is any irrelevant, there is something that is not good for the that you don't like, then you're just gonna click on report and you're gonna report it to the YouTube. And if you're not interested in watching this video, then you could just gonna click on not interested. And the last thing, that is don't recommend posts from this channel. When you click on that, you won't be seeing the post from any post from this channel. Now when you click on this, if you want to comment, you want to go more, and then you want to click on it, and you want to comment, you're just gonna click on it, and then below over here you will see the comment section. And if you want to comment, you're just gonna click on add a public comment, and then this will be shown to you, and then you can type in anything that you want, and then you can post it. So that is how you can comment, like, unlike, and try the other features that are there on given on any post from any channel.